Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. This is the third tutorial that I made for Dolores. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links because we already made the part 1 and 2. We already made the base body, the hair, dress, everything. Only we need make this third part, the shoes. Then if you are ready, let's continue. We will make two equal shoes. I'm already made one and we will make one more together. We will use sand and red color yarn. We will start using sand color yarn. And on round 1, we will start with a slip knot and then 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will start in the second chain, repeating 2 times 2 single crochet and 1 triple increase. 1 and 2, this is the second chain, the first single crochet. I recommend that you put some mark here in the chain number 4 from the beginning because here we will make the second triple increase later. Then I'm already made 1 single crochet, 1 more in the next chain, and in the last chain 1 triple increase, 3 single crochet together in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. And we will repeat the same one more time on this side. 1 single crochet. At the same time you can hide this thread. 1 more in the next point. And in the last point, remember where you put the mark, 1 triple increase, 1 single crochet, 2 and 3 single crochet together. And we already finished this round with 10 points. Now we need to put some mark. And on round 2, we will repeat 2 times 2 single crochet and 3 increase. We will finish this round with 16 points. One single crochet, 2, and now 3 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have the first increase. Then this is the second increase, and 1 more, 3 increase. We will repeat 2 single crochet and 3 increase 1 more time, and we will finish this round with 16 points. On round 3, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 6 increase, 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We will repeat 2 single crochet and 6 increase 1 more time, and we will finish with 28 points. On round 4, we will make 28 single crochet reverse. Pay close attention and you can see how I made the single crochet reverse is easy. The first single crochet reverse, two, and we will continue doing single crochet reverse until the end of this round. If you want to know more about this point, you can see in the description of this video. I will share with you some link because we already have some tutorial explain more about this single crochet reverse. Then in the last single crochet reverse, we will change to red color yarn. Make the union with red color yarn. You can cut this yarn. You can make this union in whatever form that you prefer. And finish this single crochet with red color yarn. On round 5, we will make 28 single crochet, but this time taking the back loops only. This loop, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until the end of this round. On round 6, we will start with 1 single crochet. In the next point, 1/2 double crochet. Now 2 double crochet, 1, and in the next point the second one. Now 4 double crochet decrease, this is the first double crochet decrease, and we need to make 3 more. 2, 3, and 4. 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 in the next point, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 3 slip stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Now 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And in the next point, we will start to do 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And we already finished this round with 24 points. On round 7, we will start with 1 single crochet, in the next point 1/2 double crochet, now 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 double crochet decrease, the first double crochet decrease, 1 more, this is the second one, now 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 3 slip stitch, but this time we will make the slip stitch in the base of the last slip stitch. Pay close attention. 1, 2, and 3. Now 6 single crochet in the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for the end, 3 slip stitch more in the base of the last slip stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And we already finished this round with 20 points. And for the end, we will make 9 slip stitch more. Only 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now pay close attention. You can cut this yarn, leaving enough yarn for close now using a wool needle, and later you can secure. Now we need made other detail. This is the result for now. We will use the same red colored yarn, and we will start with a slip knot and then 30 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will continue doing chains until we are 30. When you already have the 30 chains, we will make 1 single crochet between the 6 single crochet in the back on the shoes, between 3 and 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and now 30 chains more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing chains until we are 30. And when you finish, you can cut the yarn. You don't need a long yarn, and that's it. Now it's secure. You can cut this yarn and the another one, and that's it. We already finished one shoes. Remember, we need 2 equal shoes. And now we can put these shoes on the leg on our doll, but first you need to make this. Don't worry, doesn't broke. It's okay, but I'm already made these shoes exactly at the same size. Then you need to make this, and it's better for put it on her. Then we already finished our beautiful Dolores. I hope and you like it as much as I do, then don't forget, please, if you like this tutorial, leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next tutorial, bye bye.